Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm not wearing one right now, but this is my newest, coolest hack I think I've found for my life, for my workout life, for my creative life, all the things. So today I'm gonna show you where I get my cheap t-shirts, good quality cheap t-shirts, and you're gonna be like, why didn't I think of that? Because it took me a really long time for me to even think of it. And I was like, duh. So I ventured into purchasing men's t-shirts, and then I realized that they sell men's t-shirts in packs, and then I realized that they have really good men's t-shirts in packs, and then I realized that when you cut the sleeves off, they make really cute workout shirts. So all of the SVGs that I'm using, or the designs that I'm using on these shirts today, are part of our SVG bundles for our members. So you should check out my website, antitay.com, if you're interested in like thousands, because you could buy like 5 packs of men t-shirts, cut all the sleeves off, or don't. Honestly, I love them with their sleeves on as well. And you iron on all these different designs, and you've got t-shirts to last you for days that are so cute. But this is probably a really inexpensive way to make t-shirts. And if you sell t-shirts, this is a really awesome way too. And then if you're one of our business members, you have commercial rights to all of our SVGs, so you can actually make t-shirts this way and sell them. So let's get going. This is super simple, mind blown. All right, let's go.
Alrighty guys, this is the hack that I found to buy this 6-pack of Hanes or Fruit of the Loom or any other brand men's t-shirts at Target. They come in tons of different colors and they're super soft, and they even have the Fruit of the Loom extra nice t-shirts if you like them, and it's like $15 to $25 for 6 t-shirts, which comes out to less than $5 a piece. So then I just go in with all my SVGs that I've got for my members and make myself all my favorite ones. This is the Captain EO shirt. It's the Michael Jackson ride from Disneyland from when I was a kid, and a lot of people don't remember it, but I love it. And then I'm just going to cut off the sleeves by just going on the inside of the seam, and then that's really all it takes. It's super simple. So just use that seam as a guide and then do that on both of your sleeves, and then you're gonna have this cool workout t-shirts, and you're gonna look super cool when you work out, or you just act like you work out and just wear workout clothes. So finish off both of them, and then I like to stretch out the arms just to make that edge not look so raw, and then you're good to go.